Hello and welcome to the Lifestyle Freedom. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with making money from your expertise or knowledge. You can do this by creating and selling online courses using low to no cost software technology solutions like GrooveMember and GrooveVideo. On the other hand, if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Now, let's get started. Online courses are a lucrative industry. Know-how and lifelong learning are in a constant demand across demographics, and online classes are good and cost-effective ways to extend your knowledge, even though you never go to a traditional classroom setting. Therefore, if you're not even making a course available online, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And, in all likelihood, your online courses will boost your prestige and reduce your lead generation cost. Maybe you've hesitated to create an online course because you fear it would require a lot of effort, and you won't receive a significant ROI. Is there any actual money to be made from teaching classes on the internet? The answer is yes, as long as you provide value or solutions with those courses to the right target market. How much do I stand to gain from an online course? You may have doubts about it, which disparity in income gained from online course creations. There's $0 to $50 to $5,000 a month earned from courses. Hence, there are a variety of potential income your online course can make. Are online courses profitable? Yes. It is in fact an excellent blueprint for a digital company or to start your journey as a digital infopreneur. This is because more customers are able to pay more for them, as the prices vary from $20 up to $20,000 for masterminds. What are some ways to sell your expert knowledge? Short talks, presentations, interviews, webinars, etc. Self-publishing and white papers. And membership site, to name a few. Since most of these can be done online, you can cut your manufacturing costs while still increasing your ROI with content reuse. Benefits of selling online courses. We are in the midst of an online education market which is just becoming bigger and more prosperous as time goes by. In every market, selling courses on the internet is a great way to spread your skills and increase your experience. There are numerous potential subjects for online course makers, which covers the three major markets of health, wealth and relationships. How to increase the value of your online course? To get the highest return on your investment, you must ensure your online course offers great value to customers. Being familiar with your competition would allow you to avoid falling into their traps and to beat them at their own game. Here are key tips to increase the value of your course. Increase production quality as possible. Upgrading the course material would improve the learning experience. For instance, you can do this by using multimedia elements to your courses such as videos, images, text, and effects, which increases the value and experience you want to provide. If you're not expert at these aspects, you can easily outsource them. Check out the link in the description below for details so that you can get started with highly experienced designers at an affordable price. Another option to increase production quality is to develop online classes that can be continually updated and revised, like Lynda, Udemy or Skillshare. This is in which you record and edit the images, but instead of offering the recordings as a service, you put them together for sale. You're putting a lot of time into making the course as valuable as possible, so you can charge money for it. In this manner, the information product you offer can be more profitable. Create a community. Additionally, create a group of learners around your course. This doesn't have to be managed by you, as you can hire a virtual assistant to do this. It is fairly common for active online course groups to have alumni, in addition to our current students, as moderators. You can build your online community using Facebook groups, or Slack. Moreover, by engaging in office hours or making a certain office hour per week or per month available for student inquiries, you can boost your usefulness and value of your course to a much higher level. Schedule guest instructors. For fast monetizing your online course to a much greater appeal to your target market, use guest lectures and guest instructors. The main aim of your online course is to teach the students, and anyone who has the most experience with this, qualified to provide assistance, other than yourself. On the other hand, you'll get the chance to collaborate with other experts and grow your customer list. Next, let's look at the technology to sell your online course by bringing the best of both worlds of self-hosted plus the power of a marketplace. Presenting GrooveMember. GrooveMember is a membership platform that lets you create membership pages for both free and paid online courses. It helps you create mobile responsive subscription pages with content accessible at different levels or tiers. Allows you to drip out material on predetermined dates. You can build one subscription site and register up to 100 members or students on the free plan. Let's do a quick tour of the interface and the available features. Here's an example of a premium content for Platinum members called GrooveFunnels Masterclass, which has the different lectures available on the left side menu, while the main video, transcript and downloadable resources are laid out on the right side. All of these can be easily created. User-friendly interface provided by the GrooveFunnels suite. So now that you've seen GrooveMember, let's now look at what tool to use to host the videos. And that is provided by GrooveVideo. It's a video hosting solution included in the GrooveFunnels suite. It allows you to host private video material for online classes and subscription pages. There are multiple video elements that you can use with your membership courses or even with your marketing videos. For example, you can add opt-in forms to videos for users to access it. You'll also be able to add banner images to videos for announcement and advertising. Moreover, you can also add text overlays on top of videos as well as call to actions to move your customers to your sales process. To optimize and test your videos, GrooveVideo also provides analytics tools to examine metrics like views and watch time of your videos. With such valuable features, GrooveVideo alone saves you a minimum of $240 a year in hosting fee Vimeo or Wistia. So get your free account now before it's gone. Grab it at the special access link in the description below. Next, to record your courses you need the following recommended lighting, camera and microphone. Check out the links in the description below for more details. However, what if you don't want to spend money on these items yet? In that case, you can also use the built-in camera and microphone from your laptop. However, do take note that the quality of audio and video generated will be lower as compared to the recommended products in the description below. For screen recording and video editing, you can use one of the best free tools in the market. Check out the details in the description below. Now, are you ready to start earning? Start here. Once you register, and have your course ready, then you can sell your courses at the Groove Marketplace. All of these can be done with the solution from GrooveFunnels. Next, start sharing and marketing your courses to yourself so that people will know that you are offering courses. And, you can reach more targeted users by using paid ads like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or Pinterest. That's it for this video. I hope you had some value and insights into online course income, making money from your expertise with GrooveMember plus GrooveVideo in the best way possible. All of these are made simpler by the GrooveFunnels suite. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And, if you want to access more resources related to topics on this channel, you can visit www.thelifestylefreedom.com. Lastly, how's your GrooveMember and GrooveVideo experience? Let me know by leaving a comment.